And the race is on. Lake is way from the outside is No Money, No Honey, running down on the inside. Queen Alicia, Wild Wind, Black Parade, Eagle Swing, and Angel Dugo is running at the tail of the field by about 8 or 9 lengths of the leader. No Money, No Honey by a length and a half, followed by Lake is way by Darrell. Wild Wind racing in third by some 2 lengths. Queen Alicia is running in fourth from the outside by Darrell, Eagle Swing, Black Parade, and Angel Dugo. And rounding the far turn, No Money, No Honey by a length and a half. Lake is way in second, Wild Wind, Queen Alicia, Eagle Swing is running in fifth by Darrell, Angel Dugo, and Black Parade. As they race the last 450, No Money, No Honey by a length and a half. Wild Wind is now running in second. Lake is way down on the inside, Eagle Swing and Queen Alicia. And nearing the finish line, No Money, No Honey, Wild Wind rushing up now to grab the lead. Wild Wind, No Money, No Honey is running by the Lake is way. And nearing the finish line, Wild Wind, and finally Wild Wind. No Money, No Honey, Lake is way, Angel Dugo, Queen Alicia, Eagle Swing, Black Parade.
Okay, only the third choice in the selling, crossing the